The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015. Following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014, yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originated in India. In this video, few asanas are performed to provide both spiritual and physical benefits. Let's start. Padmasana. Stretch your legs gently, bend your right leg and left leg, and relax your feet so that the toes rest on the floor and the inner arches are resting below the opposite shin. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes and inhale and exhale. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds. Gomukhasana. Stretch your legs, gently bend your left leg and bring it under your right leg. Now fold your left arm and place it behind your back. The elbow should point downwards. Fold your right arm and bring it behind the shoulder with the elbow pointing upwards. Repeat with the other side. Stretch your arms till the two hands are touching each other. Yes, exactly in the same way. Do not worry if you cannot achieve this the first time. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. First, sit up with legs stretched out straight in front of you. Keep the feet together and spine erect. Bend your right leg, place the heel of the right foot beside the left hip and bring the left leg over the right knee. Gently twist your waist, shoulders and neck in this sequence to the left, looking over the left shoulder. Your spine should be erect. Repeat with the other side, exactly in the same manner. Hold the position for a few seconds. Bhujangasana. First, you must lie flat on your stomach with forehead touching the floor. Place your hands to the front, balance your body's weight on the palms. Breathe in and slowly raise your head and trunk. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. Come back to the starting position. Shalabhasana. Lie down on your stomach. Inhale and lift up both your legs without bending the knees. Repeat the same process for 2 to 4 times and get back to your starting position. Halasana. Lie down on the floor facing the ceiling and put your feet on the floor. Tilt your pelvic back by pushing the lower back into the floor. Then lift your torso off the floor to 30-degree angle by supporting your neck with your hands. Hold this position for 25 and 30 seconds and come back slowly to starting position. And repeat this exercise for 10 times. Sarvangasana. Exhale, raise high the legs together enough to make a right angle with the body. Keep the knees straight and the body above hip joint on the ground undisturbed. At this stage, still exhaling, raise the arms and hold the waist and push the body up as far as possible. And get back to your normal position, that is your starting position. Matsyasana. Lie flat on your back, making sure your knees are straightened and your legs or feet are together. Place your hands beside your body. Place your palms beneath your hips such that the palms are facing the ground. Lift your chests and head away from the floor. Exhale deeply as you raise your head and torso till you are slightly halfway up. Sapta Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Exactly. Bend back with the support of an elbow first and following the other elbow next. In this position, the elbows should support the body. Bring the top of the head towards the floor by making an arch on your back. Breathe normally and get back to your starting position. Exactly. Calm yourself. Shavasana. Lie flat on the floor and make sure you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Place your legs in such a way that your toes are facing sideways. The legs should be placed comfortably apart. Place your arms along your body with open palms facing upwards. While doing so, leave a space between your body and arms. After reaching a position, direct your attention to every area of your body, starting from your toes. After doing this, get back to your normal position. Exactly in the same way. You can rub your palms. Thanks for watching and happy International Yoga Day.